4 advantages of hiring a glass repair service. You have several options available when planning to install or repair glass on a building. If you're already handy, you may be tempted to attempt a DIY project. Or you may be considering accepting a friend's offer to help. While these might seem like cost-effective options, they can quickly backfire and lead to more expenses. Hiring a glass repair service provides you with these benefits that are worth exploring for your project. 1. Gain access to high-quality materials. Just about every home repair store sells some type of glass door or window these days. The difference between what the average consumer can buy versus a professional is often quite large. Professional glass technicians have access to higher-grade materials than what you can purchase on your own. The relationship that our company has cultivated with quality manufacturers also means we can get these materials faster than you could when ordering from a big chain store. 2. Customized service. Every glass project is different. What worked on your neighbor's home may not work for yours. For example, you might have a window that receives more direct sunlight on your home. This may mean that you need glass with a higher efficiency rating than your neighbor. Professional consultations include taking all the factors that influence your project into consideration. You can also get customized services that include cutting glass to fit projects where stock materials may not work. If your dream is to create glass shelves or walls in a commercial building or home, then a professional company is the only way to go. 3. Seamless installation. Poor installation practices can lead to serious costs for you down the road. A window or door that isn't properly sealed can allow air to escape. This results in higher energy costs. A bad seal can also allow water to enter your building. Waterlogged wood and drywall are prime spots for mold to grow. Wooden frames can also warp if they are not installed properly. If your project includes shower walls, shelves and other common touchable features, then you'll want to make sure that they are properly secured to the wall. A proper installation is critical for ensuring the safety of everyone in your home or commercial building. 4. Work that is guaranteed. Warranties are important for any major project. Getting a guarantee for work that deals with delicate materials is especially critical. Our glass services all include a guarantee on the workmanship. If something goes wrong with the work we do, we'll make it right. We can also help you understand and take advantage of any manufacturer's warranties on the parts and materials we use for your project. Making sure that the work is guaranteed could save you money in the long run. Saving time, money and stress on a glass installation or repair project is easier when you hire the right people. We take pride in being licensed, bonded and insured. We've also put together a team of the best glass technicians around. Take your time to read reviews and thoroughly vet any company you consider for your glass project. You'll be glad you did when you see that the results of your research are clear in the finished work. Raben Glass has over 40 years of experience in the residential and commercial glass industry. We are bonded and insured, and our work and products are guaranteed.